Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be unboxing the GLOSSYBOX May beauty box, and yeah, I'm excited about this because I haven't seen any sneak peeks of it yet. So let's go ahead and we'll get started with the unboxing. This is what the box looks like this month. It's a really bright sunny box. It says "Let the Sun Shine" on it. So yeah, a really cute box. I like this. And then that's what it looks like inside. So it's all wrapped up for us. We get the leaflet along with the box, which tells us all about the products and how much each of them are worth. And then we have a sneak peek for the June box on the back here, and it is the Nip and Fab Vitamin C Scrub Fix. So that's right there. Okay, so the first thing we get inside is this here. This looks really fresh. It's from the brand Cushy Naturals. It's a lemon shower gel, and this just looks really summery and gorgeous. So I want to give it a little smell. Very citrusy. Oh, it smells absolutely gorgeous. It smells like lemon sherbet. So it says here that this natural shower gel cleanses and protects the skin throughout the whole day. With revitalising lemon and chamomile extracts, it carefully cleans the skin whilst respecting your skin's natural pH and leaving behind a refreshing scent. And it is worth £5.70. That is a stunning scent. Okay, so the next thing we get inside looks amazing. It's this here from Tan. So this is a Replenishing Rapid Recovery After Sun Gel, and it's enriched with aloe vera and niacinamide. So I love like after sun products, or even like suntan lotions or SPFs that have like aloe vera in them, because it just really helps my skin and it protects it from getting sunburn. So I'm very excited about this. This looks amazing, and I love that it's a gel formula rather than a cream. So I'm so excited to use this. So it says, save your skin from sunburn this summer with this Rapid Recovery After Sun Gel for faster, more effective relief that revitalises the skin. This gel is enriched with powerful key ingredients: a natural anti-inflammatory aloe vera soothes whilst providing a protective layer to the skin, and niacinamide helps retain hydration and reduces the appearance of sun damage and fine lines. So yeah, this just looks amazing. It's going to come in super handy for me, so I'm so happy for this. And this is a deluxe mini, which is a 50ml worth £13.35. The full size is £28.60. The next thing we get inside the box is the Redeal Dragon's Blood eye mask. So I love these little eye masks. Super hydrating for the under eyes. It says depuffing biocellulose eye mask. So if you haven't tried these already, I will give you a little description here. So it says, great for providing intense hydration to your delicate eye area thanks to the hyaluronic acid, as well as providing an immediate depuffing and cooling effect as a result of the dragon's blood. Your eyes will look brighter and more alert. So yeah, really like these, and these are worth £6. The next thing we get inside here is from Yeti London, and this looks quite good. It says Define Liner, so that's it right there. Well, not there, that's packaging. This is what it looks like. So I'm wondering what shade this will be in. It says Define Liner. So, ooh, is this a nude shade? Hopefully it's nude. Don't know what shade this is. I'm hoping it's a nude, but it may be like a bronze actually. Line and define your eyes with the Yeti London Ultra Fine Precision Liner. It's a gorgeously golden shade. Okay, so it is gold. Featuring a built-in sharpener at its base, this liner will always have the perfect point, ensuring it's always sharp and ready to use. So it's a gold shade, which is nice. I actually wish it was a nude shade because I love applying nude liners in my waterline, and I would love to have tried one from Yeti. But anyway, that is the gold liner. I think it might be quite, it does say that it's going to be good for brightening giving you brighter looking eyes and that sort of thing, and use it also in the inner corners of your lids, so like maybe in here. Yeah, that is a full size and it is £18. The next thing we get is another makeup product. So we have a few makeup products this month, which is really good. So these are the two makeup bits, and this here is the Lottie London. So that's Yeti London, this is Lottie London. Golden Hour metallic eyeshadow, I think this is. Yeah, a metallic eyeshadow. So it's in the shade Golden Hour, and I don't know if you can see the shade through the tub there. Like, I hate when brands do that. Like, if you're in a shop, you wouldn't be able to see what that shade was, you know, like, because it's got the sticker on the back here, and like, yeah, you can't see through the lid part, so yeah, you can't really see the shade properly, but it's in a golden, like a golden colour. And I don't wear cream eyeshadow a lot in my eyes, so I'm not going to open this right now, but I'm hoping you guys can see the type of shade it is. So it's basically like a golden colour really, so you can imagine from that. It says it's designed to give an intense foil finish in just one sweep on the lid. So yeah, this is worth £6.95. Of course, it's full size. Okay, so that's everything inside this month's glossy box, and I'm really excited about the body products inside this month's box. These two products here just look really great. Like these are things that I've been really into lately, especially like aloe vera SPFs, and like shower gels that are just nice and fruity, and that I just love, like taking care of my body and refreshing and revitalising myself in the shower and that, and applying creams, scrubs, lotions and things like that. I'm just so into like body stuff right now, so I'm very excited to give these a go. I would love to know what you think about the products inside this month's box, and of course if you're interested in signing up to GLOSSYBOX, then I do have a discount code where you can get 10% off your subscription plan. I will leave that down below in the description box for you. That is it for this unboxing. I really hope you liked and enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button just down below if you haven't already, and I'll speak to you very soon in my next video. Bye!